Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will show you some Windows key shortcuts. Before we begin, please like and subscribe. It really helps me while making content. And if you have already done this, thank you very much. And now, on to the video. First is Windows key and V. This command will give you your clipboard history, and when clicked on, it will paste the item that you clicked on. Next is Windows key and T. This will let me navigate the taskbar, and with the arrow keys I can go left and right. Third is Windows key and Q. This will open up Windows Search, where you can search for things that are on your computer or on the internet for whatever you need. The next one is Windows key and E. This one will just open File Explorer. And finally, Windows key and M. This minimizes all the windows and leaves you with an empty desktop. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have already done this, thank you, and I hope to see you next time.